9 Hot French Kissing Techniques. Anyone can French kiss, but can anyone French kiss like you can? Not after you pick up a few French kissing techniques that will certainly wow your next date. All it takes is a few minutes, and you could have skills that could last you a lifetime. 9 ways to make your French kisses sizzle. You can't just jam your tongue into your partner's mouth and call it a French kiss. Frenching is a delicate art that includes a number of slow, sensuous tongue-kissing techniques that create pleasure and desire. If you want to be more than just average at this intimate style of kissing, the following tongue-kissing tips can add a little finesse to your repertoire. 1. Gentle tickle. After the first few kisses, lightly tickle your partner's lips with the tip of your tongue in order to make out with tongue. You don't want to lather his or her lips, just brush across them lightly like a butterfly's wings. This move conveys a touch of innocence tinged with a willingness to explore, and it can be very enticing to the person you're kissing with tongue. 2. Soft murmur. Murmur a little once in a while as you're kissing. The sound alone lets your partner know how much you're enjoying the kiss, but the soft vibration this creates against the lips just might create a shiver of pleasure. Be careful not to murmur too much because it can be distracting and may even seem a little fake. Let the sound escape your lips naturally when you're really feeling that kiss. 3. Darting. This tongue technique offers a good way to initiate some tongue contact, but it's also very nice for kissers who don't know what to do with your tongue when French kissing or enjoy using the tongue a little rather than a lot. Begin with the soft tickle as described, and then gently press the tip of your tongue against your partner's lips. When your partner opens the lips to accept you, slowly and softly dart your tongue into his or her mouth and then pull it back out. You can continue darting your tongue in and out as you vary the length of the contact. Take a cue from your partner's own response and do what feels natural to you both. 4. Swirling. If the two of you want more contact, a bit of tongue swirling is in order. This involves rolling the tip of your tongue all the way around the tip of your partner's tongue in a seductive, swirling motion. To mix it up, you can transition between darting and swirling for a great makeout with tongue. 5. Nibbling. After a nice swirl, try pulling back in a slight pause, and then nibble ever so lightly on your partner's lower lip. You have to be careful not to cause your partner pain. The nibble is meant to thrill your partner by adding a tiny element of danger to your kisses. 6. Sucking. This move is a little risky, but it can have fantastic results if your partner enjoys it. When he or she darts their tongue into your mouth, suck on it gently for a brief moment before you release it. If your partner liked it, they'll come back for more and you'll know what to do with your tongue when making out that your partner enjoys. 7. Invading. Invading is a bold move designed to elicit a big response, and you should only do it if your partner is into full contact Frenching. When passions run high and the moment seems right, extend your tongue all the way into your partner's mouth using a combination of darting and swirling. When you're invading, these techniques are bigger and bolder, but you still have to be careful not to overdo them. Otherwise, you run the risk of gagging your partner, and that's the surest way to ruin an awesome kiss. 8. Embracing. Good Frenching doesn't happen at a distance, there's a lot of embracing involved. The two of you will naturally want to wrap your arms around each other, but you can also use your hands to enhance your kisses. Kissing with tongue tips also involve other body parts. Try taking your partner's face in your hands for a few moments while you kiss. You can caress the cheeks with your thumbs as you tilt your head first one way, and then gradually to the other. You can also cup your hand against the neck just beneath the jawline, or softly trail your fingertips across the jaw and then down to the hollow at the base of the neck. 9. Wandering. Wandering can happen at any moment while the two of you are kissing. Leave your partner's lips and trail soft kisses from the chin and cheeks to the jawline and continue on to the nape of the neck. Dart your tongue into the hollow just beneath the earlobe and press more soft, wet kisses against the pulse in the neck. You can even trail kisses along the collarbone to the shoulder and then back again as you make your way back to the mouth. Working some wandering into your French kiss tongues can make your partner feel adored, and what's sexier than that?